second. There they are. Logan's just living her best life. Hello, princess.
Yeah. I love that parade. Yeah, and then the big beach is like around here, but we're going into I got them to do 60. I think it's
Good. Necessary. The green. Oops. Oh fuck, I should take my camera out first. I got it. Actually, I trust your photography. So oh, I've been recording, so what are we doing?
We're parasailing for the first time.
Oh, we are. If that's how I go, that's how I go. Oh, look at that view. Too cool for school. I guess it's a chain. There's another one here. Look at that. Huh. I know you want me. You know I want ya. I know you want me. You know I want ya. We're taking it down. We're taking it down. La familia hermosa, aquí andamos en la ciudad de Makarska o la isla de Makarska. Es la última isla que tenemos antes de volver a Split. Es mi penúltimo día entero en Croacia y estoy bronceada. Voy a ir a pegarme un masaje en la playa y de resto todo perfecto. Los quiero, besitos, bye. All right, everyone, hands in. Go. Get food. All right. Oh, here we got another one. Abby, grab it. Abby! Cheers to the hot ride! Woo! Hi editing me and hi vlog. The wind is killing me, but we rally. Love this walk. What did you say?
This is the ideal commute.
It's a 2-minute walk from the bar.